Hello everyone and welcome to lesson number 3. Today we have a really interesting topic. We are going to talk about 10 reasons to trade Forex. We will give 10 solid reasons why you should be trading in Forex today. We will discuss how you can start trading, how to learn Forex trading, how you acquire the critical skills and knowledge you must have to start in Forex. Very importantly, we will talk about Forex trading systems. As a special bonus, we are going to share with you 5 reasons not to trade Forex. This sounds absolutely crazy, but we want to give you an honest insight into Forex trading. Nobody will ever share the disadvantages of Forex, so stick around to the end for this interesting special bonus. As normal, before we start, a quick disclaimer, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Before we jump into the lesson, a quick disclaimer. Smart Forex Trading offer educational videos to help and educate Forex traders. Information on this channel is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. We must advise you Forex trading carries a high level of risk, and you should be aware of the risks before trading in Forex. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications. It really helps the channel to grow. Welcome to lesson 3, and we are going to share with 10 reasons why you should be trading in Forex today. So let's get started. 1. Be your own boss. Quit the 9-to-5 daily grind. Forex traders are independent and free from the 9-to-5 daily grind, and they have complete freedom over their work lifestyle. 2. You can work from anywhere. You can work from home or on the go, and even sitting on the beach. You have total flexibility and work on the go. 3. You can work anytime. Forex is a 24-hour market. The Forex market is open 24 hours, 5 days a week, and there is opportunity to trade at a time that matches your lifestyle. 4. You can build a full-time career as a Forex trader. Forex is difficult to learn, but once you have the right trading system, you can achieve a regular monthly income. 5. You are learning new skills and knowledge that you can use all your life. The skills and knowledge you acquire will serve you well for all your life. You can use the same trading system every day to generate profits. 6. You can use leverage to trade large amounts. Forex brokers offer retail traders leverage, and you can use this extra leverage to trade amounts 30 times your account balance, which gives you extra money to trade with at higher amounts. 7. Trading system. The most important part of Forex trading is to have a profitable trading system. Once you have profitable trading system, trading becomes easy. 8. Lots of apps to trade on the go. New apps have been developed to help traders. You can trade on mobile devices. You can trade quicker and on the go. With a touch of a button, you can open or close a trade using your mobile phone. 9. Demo accounts. You can practice safely using paper money. All reputable brokers offer demo trading accounts to help you practice trading safely with paper money. You should always demo trade before going live. The old saying, practice, practice, practice makes perfect, is absolutely true. 10. Free stuff everywhere. There are lots of helpful websites and YouTube videos to help you get started. We have compiled an entire trading course, beginner to pro trader, on our YouTube channel to help traders learn how to trade for free. And whilst you are here, please don't forget subscribe to the channel. As promised at the start of the video, here is the special bonus. We are going to share with you 5 reasons not to trade in Forex. No one ever shares this information openly in the Forex industry, which makes it really important and useful information for you. 1. Forex trading is really high risk and very stressful. You can make money quickly, and if you are not careful, you can lose money just as quickly. 2. Steep learning curve. Forex trading is not easy. Forex demands a high level of knowledge and skills which you must acquire before you start trading. In simple words, you must learn how to trade in Forex before you jump in. 3. Trading money you cannot afford to lose. You should only trade with money that you can afford to lose. You should never trade with money that you need for your everyday living. You must never use credit cards to trade with money that you do not have. 4. Scam tricks and outright rogues. There are lots of scams and tricks in Forex, which gives it a bad name. You need to be aware of rogues who sell Forex courses and false promises. They have slick marketing and show fake accounts, fake profits, and trick you into buying their services for thousands and thousands of dollars. We offer a free Forex trading course, which is all you need to learn Forex trading. There is no need to pay a trickster thousands of dollars to learn how to trade Forex. You can learn everything here for free. 5. You don't know what you are doing, and you have no trading system. The biggest reason why people lose money in Forex and quit trading is a lack of knowledge and skills. These people simply have not spent enough time learning Forex or developing a trading system. We offer a highly profitable and easy to learn trading system which is used by 90,000 pro traders. You can find more information on our website. Head over to smartforextrading.com to find out more about this trading system. When you are ready to start trading, you will need a trading system. Smart Forex Trading have developed an easy to use and highly profitable trading system which we will share with you now.
If you're struggling to make money in Forex, you need to try this amazing trading system. I want to share with you today a highly profitable trading system used by banks, institutes, and over 90,000 traders. The SMART system tells you exactly when to buy and to sell. It's easy to follow and it takes all the stress and worry out of trading. In fact, this is the only trading system you'll ever need. If you want to take your trading to the next level, you need to try the SMART system from smartforextrading.com. Head over to smartforextrading.com to check out the SMART system now.
Help the channel to grow. Like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications. We hope you enjoyed the lesson, and we will see you on the next one.